Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm back from church. As you can see, I haven't changed my clothes yet, but I'm inside the kitchen. I just came to wash my hands and I decided to check in with you guys. How you are doing? Today is Sunday, the 4th of August. Today is the first Sunday in August. So this week is going to be an amazing week. I prayed for you guys. I prayed for you, my subscribers. I hope you all went to church. But if you didn't go to church, I believe you must have a very important reason for not going to church. But I hope you all went to church. So back to what I was saying. This week is going to be an amazing week for all of us. I just have to change my clothes and then quickly prepare rice. I made stew before going to church this morning, so I just have to boil rice so we can eat lunch. If you're in Abuja or if you're in Nigeria, if you're currently in Nigeria, did you partake in the nationwide peaceful protests? Let me know. How did it go in your state, your city, in your area? Was it chaotic? Was it peaceful? Did people actually come out to protest? Or did you go out to protest? Let me know down in the comments. Guys, do have an amazing week. And if you're here to subscribe to the channel, please hit on the subscribe button to be part of us and also turn on the post notification so you don't miss out whenever I put out the new video.